As you say it, so you will be it. Fellas, this would make a great gift, wouldn't it?
The top junior college basketball players in the state of Sanford, California ended up, oh man.
This is what business is about. It's about pressure. It's about pressure. For all my old heads in there, pressure busts a pipe, as we say back in the day. This is the one thing that regardless of what happens today, you're gonna have to endure no matter what you do, because when you're selling a business, you're selling yourself. If I don't know your product, if you're new to me, I'm buying you. So the one thing you never want to do is quit. A winning pitch, I think, is getting as much information as you can out with passion, right? Because we want to know that you're excited about whatever it is that you're trying to sell, because you are asking for financial investment. So the passion is important, but also details about how I'm going to get my money back, right? You want to know how they're going to make a profit, because this is about business. So I think if you have that combination, you can at least get someone's attention. Ideas are what it's all about, man, and that's one thing we're not doing enough of. We're not exchanging enough ideas. We think it's all about money, but it isn't. It's about the ideas. If you got a good enough idea, somebody will come up with the money, trust me.